What's up, everybody? My name is Julio Franco, and I would like to go ahead and welcome you to another short video. All right, now what you're looking at right now is called that TR TRK capture page. Okay, so TRK stands for the rotator kit. All right, so check this out. This is one of the most easiest and simplest way, okay, that you can really go ahead and start creating passive income online. It's so simple that my 12-year-old can do it, honestly. I mean, guys, check it out. We're going to go through the system here pretty quick, all right? And I'm going to show you what you really need to do. And first of all, I would like to go ahead and say thank you for taking the busy time out of your day and checking out this video. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible, okay? And I think I'm going to make gosh, I don't know. I want to make a little series out of it, but I don't know yet. All right. So this is video one. Okay. Once you come to a capture page, you're gonna come to a page like this. Let me see. Let me see if I can let me see. No, it's not that. Give me a second. Bear with me. All right, check this out. Come to a page like this, okay? This is that capture page that we're using that is working very well. All right, you can get started for free. Honestly, you can get started right now for free. All you have to do is just fill out your the form and put your details in there, and then you're gonna go ahead and get started for free. You can pretty much copy this exactly same funnel, okay? And all you have to do is just promote one link. This is TRK will pay you 5 different ways, okay? But you don't have to promote 5 different products. So you can get paid from 5 different products, but you only promote one link. All right, check it out. All right, excuse me. I was taking a little sip of water. But anyways, you come to this page right here. Check out the video. It's
Hey, this
simple.
is Lee Murray. Over the
Okay.
past 15 years, I've been consistently making hundreds of thousands of dollars online using short, simple, and powerful emails. And today, I'm not just here to show you how you can do it too. I'm actually offering you.
All right. I want to go ahead and I don't want to show you the whole video. You can go ahead and check it out. And right here it kind of tells you you're in about 100 to 300 per day in autopilot. Okay. While my done for you emails do all the work for you. All right. So it is true. I have access to this system. It's amazing because you, like I said, you promote one link and you can get paid 5 different ways from 5 different products that your email will start promoting for you. Okay, you don't even have to promote anything. All you have to do is bring people to this capture page. Okay, um, let me see real quick so I can take you through the system. Pretty much, you just go ahead and put your, fill your information in there. And once you do that, it'll bring you to this first video right here. Okay. And this video will explain everything.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to TRK Capture. This is Lee Murray. I will be walking you through this whole process here and explaining to you why this is so powerful, how it can be extremely lucrative for you, and why you want to get involved with this right away and not do anything else, literally, because anything else that you could possibly.
All right. Like I said, you can go ahead and check out the videos yourself, in your own time. I just want to go ahead and kind of give you a review of it so you can kind of see um, why is this so beneficial to anybody that can have their hands on it. Okay. So if you're out there and there's you've been looking for a way to really, really honestly make money online, and trust me, there's a lot of different ways that you can make money online. I've done them, I've tried to done them all, but I've never actually found a way of really, really making money consistently until I came into the affiliate marketing. Okay. I've done drop shipping, I've done Shopify, I've done e-commerce, I mean, I've done it. I've done MLM. I've done so many things, but when I came across affiliate marketing, um, it just kind of blew my mind, because all you have to do is just kind of grab a link here and kind of post it on your social media platforms. And then from there, the the link or whatever business you're promoting, it does all the selling for you. Give me just a second, guys. So, like I was explaining, all right. So, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I got a couple of videos below that you can go ahead and check it out. But when it comes to this specific product, which is that TRK product, okay? Well, all you have to do is just promote this specific link, okay? People will come to your landing page right here. You promote this landing page, people will opt in. Okay, and once they opt in, like I said, they put their email, it's gonna bring them to this page right here. And they're gonna have to watch the video just like you're watching. So you can get started for free, like I said, okay? So, and then the second video, once you click here, it'll go to the second video. And in the second video, it's you have to join Lead Sleep, okay? You can get started for free. Lead Sleep is totally free, and it'll help you build your email list, okay? It'll help you build your list because they say that the money is in the list, and I totally agree. But you have to follow up with that list, okay? So this is where this business model comes in place, okay? Remember, your job is just to collect the emails, collect leads. That's it. This system right here will do everything for you, okay? So of course, if you want to make money from this different business models that they have here, of course, you're gonna have to join like Lee Sleep. It's free to get started. I used to have the free version, but if you're really serious about trying to make money online, the only investment you're gonna make is Lee Sleep right here to do because this whole platform is run on Lee Sleep. So check this out. You can get started for free. You can go right here, join, watch this video.
Hey, welcome back to TRK Capture. This is video number 2. And right now we're going to be talking about Lead Sleep and why you want to be using this tool and why we're going to be using this tool with the TRK Capture process. And you're going to absolutely love this. It's brilliant. Go ahead and click the link. You can do this right now, okay? Click the button below this video.
All right. So keep in mind, if you really want to be successful online, you gotta kind of stick with people that are having success already, and you kind of want to imitate what they're doing. Okay, that's the only way that you're gonna be able to fast track your success. If you don't do that, you're gonna learn the hard way. Like a lot of entrepreneurs out there, they stumble, they fail, they try, it didn't work, this and that. So you try to avoid that. Okay, that's why I want to go ahead and show you the the path to success, okay? And this is the best way to do it right now. So join Lee Sleep for free, okay? Once you do that, go ahead and go into the next video. In the next video right here, it is called List Infinity, okay? So once you do join Lee Sleep, you're gonna be able to go ahead and take this page code right here and implement it into your own Lead Sleep, okay? And this model right here kind of shows you everything. I know you might not be understanding, but trust me, just watch the videos, um, take action, okay? Once you join this right here, I think this is like $7 or 20, what, $25. But once you join this, you're gonna get $7 100% commissions, and you also get $25 commissions. I think you can join the 100, the 300, but this is directly into your bank account, into your PayPal, whatever um bank provider, whatever you put in there, whatever you use, Venmo, Cash App, whatever, you just set it up, and once people join underneath you, you'll get paid. And then you go to the next video, and this is one of my videos called ATM. Join my ATM here. All you have to do, I think this is like $27, okay? And it shows you everything that you need to learn about affiliate marketing, building a funnel page, building what it comes your email list, adding your autoresponder, having a sequence of emails, where to go to get the best products and all that kind of stuff. Guys, this is freaking amazing. Only $27. act up on it right now, and I think I'm giving 50% commission as well, or if I'm not mistaken, 100%. But go ahead and check it out, and you can clone this. Like I said, look, once you go ahead and buy TRK for like 12 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, if the price hasn't gone up, you get this whole model. Okay. And if you go ahead and start implementing each video right here, okay, this is like the fourth video, the fourth business model that you can join. And the last one, I think it's HBA. This is another one. I'm part of HBA. This other one, it's amazing, okay? Because it gives you 80% commissions and it's only $25. This is a capture builder page. This is a funnel building, whatever you want to call it, you know. Guys, the best way for you to make money, honestly, is by joining TRK, which is this business model. And once you join TRK, it's going to show you how to get lead sleep, and then go ahead and upgrade to the pro, so you can go ahead and download this page and copy everything, and then you can just start promoting that one page. You don't have to worry about selling anything. Just start promoting TRK, and people will start go ahead and opting in, and they opt in, and then the email autoresponder will kick out. The cool thing about this is, guys, once you join, is not you're not only getting the whole front end thing product, you know, how to build a system. You are also getting, excuse me, you are also getting the email sequence already written for you, done. All you have to do is just kind of copy a link and implement it in here as well, which I will show you later on in the second video, okay? This is going to be the first video. I know I'm already like 14 minutes in, 15 minutes. I don't want to drag this video too long and make it boring, okay? I want you to be excited about this just like I am, because this is working for me, okay? And I'm going to show you real quick my list that I just started not even, what, 2-3 days ago, and I got a list of like 30-40 people. It's freaking amazing. And you know, the emails will start going automatically, which I will show you here pretty quick. Okay, so the next one is TRK, I believe. Let me see. Yep, video 6 get 1,000. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. When you join TRK, you can get 1,000 emails pre-written, you know. You can download them, but you have to buy TRK. I think it's like 12 bucks a month, or like 130 something. I don't know. Check it out. All you have to go click right here to get it. And once you get that, um, go ahead and import this page. So pretty much once you get it TRK, guys, you're gonna have to go through every single business model right here and get access to it. Okay, this is how you're gonna make consistent sales. Get access to it. Okay, you copy this video 1. Here's the code where you get it. Okay, also for the opt-in page where I show you, okay, where you collect your emails. Once you do that and start taking action, go ahead and join Lead Sleep. Okay, go to the next video. Go ahead and join List Infinity, even if it's just at the $7 level or $25 level, because you know, the more people, the more eyeballs, the more traffic you drive to this capture pages, there's going to be a lot of more people watching this, all these different models that you have here, and they're going to join because they're going to want to copy the system. And guess what happens if you're part of every single business in here? Oh, you're going to get paid from 5 different business models. And the cool thing about it is that you're only promoting one page. Guys, it's amazing. Trust me. There's people that are making hundreds and thousands of dollars. Okay. Now, let me throw a little income disclaimer before I let you guys go. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. This is not a push button and you're going to get thousands of dollars. It's not. Okay. There's a little bit of work, just like anything, you know, like any job, like anything that requires, you know, put a little time into it and you will see results. Guarantee. Okay. You got to stay consistent, be positive. You know, you're going to have to grind. You're going to have to put your time in there and, you know, start promoting this offer. Okay. Because if you don't promote it, nobody's going to come and watch it. Okay. You got to drive traffic through it. And once you start driving traffic through this funnel, you're going to start seeing results. Guys, I'm going to show you real quick. Let me see. Let me take you to my list real quick. Give me a second. See, this is the inside of Lead Sleep right here. I got a balance of $58. Look, because I've used my balance. So list manager, okay. 36 leads. Okay. I got one lead right here. I got 3 different lists. And I got right here, ClickBank. And the cool thing about it is, guys, you only promote one product inside the list. Like right here, look. Inside the list. Okay. I only got 30 emails because I'm doing the $12 a month. Okay. I'm gonna be straightforward. I got it. I put it into work, and it's you know, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm following the steps, and I'm seeing results. Look, I've sent 28, 21 open, 10 clicks, you know, and it's just kind of going, you know, it's a hit and miss. It's a hit and miss, but I can't complain, you know, it's working. So guys, that is it. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Another thing, if you get started, okay, get started, go to the TRK, get started. Once you get started on the landing page. Okay, let me see. Once you insert your emails right here, do me a favor, put your correct email. So that way, if you get started, even if you get started with Lead Sleep for free, I can show you the ropes, the inside of it, okay? Because there's a lot of people that, you know, they'll do a video like this and they'll ask people, join, join, join. But, you know, sometimes people get stuck and they don't know what to do or where to go. So once you get started, guys, reach out to me. Let me know. I'm going to, you know, respond to the emails. Get started for free. Do something, okay? I don't know. Go ahead and start creating your list. You know, it's free. Why not? Get started for free. But I highly recommend, if you get started, do all the 5 different funnels, do all the 5 business models, and you're gonna get paid from me every single one of them. All right, guys. Thank you. I will see you on the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You've do me a favor. If you love the content, give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, okay? So that way next time I put out new content, you'll be one of the first ones to get notified. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. I love you guys. God bless, and I wish you most success. Thank you. Bye-bye.